So now we are going to draw orthographic projection of this object. Okay, I have calculated its total length. So its total length is here 120, total height is 60, and total width is also 60. Okay, this is length, height, width. Okay, so this is total length, height, width. So total length is 120, height is 60, width is 60. So my box size is going to be, see, I am going to draw objects like this. So here is my front view. So this is my front view size. Okay, then I am going to draw one vertical reference line and horizontal reference line. Okay, the gap between these two views and these lines are 10 mm. Okay, so this is 10, this is 10. Similarly, now in this figure there is a right hand side view. So this is RHSV, right hand side view. This value is 10. This is also 10. Okay, and then there is a top view. Again, this gap is of 10 mm. Okay, so initially what I will do, I will make a complete box. Okay, for that my front view shows me length and height, top view shows me width and length, top view shows me width and length, side view shows me width and height. Okay, so my length here is 120 mm, length is 120, height is 60, capital H is 60, and capital width W is equal to 60. And if I want to calculate what is my total length of the box, so this will be L is 120 plus width is 60 plus 20. 120 plus 60 is 180, 180 plus 60 is 180 plus 20 is 200. So this box total length is 200 and box total height, this will be height plus width plus this 20. So height is 60, width is 60, and this is 20. So 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 20 is 140. So I will create a box of 200 length and 140 height. 200 length and 140 height. So I will choose my layer as a projection layer. So right now I'm making this color little darker so that we can see on a screen. Okay, so with the projection layer I will create a line of 200 by 140. This is also 200 and 140. Okay. I am hiding my icons because my laptop screen is small, but in your PC you can see it easily. Okay, now next I want to see my front view. Front view is in this side. Okay, so I will make a offset from here. So this is my last edge. So from here I will make a offset of length. Length is 120. So I will use offset command O enter. Then it is asking me to specify offset distance. I am typing 120 enter. Then select object. So this object and then select the side where you want to offset. So just click on left side. Okay, then press escape. So this I have done. Then I will offset for height. Height is 60. So I will use O enter. Then 60 enter. This I will offset down. Okay. Then I will offset for 10 mm. So in one offset command I will draw this all. O enter, 10 enter. This click here. This click here. And then from this click here. From this click down. Then draw inclined line from here to here. Okay. I will select these lines and I will change their color. For only these lines, I will change it color little different so that I can identify these are my center lines. Okay. Now I will go to layers and I will start with the visible layer. Okay. I always start with top circles. So where circles are there, I will start from this. So see the circles. For the circles, I need to locate its center. So I will use offset command. Okay, and its radius is 30. So I will take 30 enter and I will make an offset of 30. Now from here to here also I will make an offset of 30 so that I will get a center of these circles. O enter 30 enter, select object and then click here. Okay, now with projection layer I can draw this. Okay, now I am not able to see its height. So I have clicked on to this LW display option so that I can see the thickness. Okay, if I switch off, then I cannot see the thickness. If I click on, then only I can see the thickness. Then see, this is a circular part. Okay, it is at rightmost end and outermost radius is 15, inner radius is 10. So I will draw circles from here. Radius is 15 and this radius is 10. So with the C enter command, this point I have selected, this is 10. And trim remaining part. So for trim, I am doing TR double enter, 2 times enter. And then click on this parts. Okay. Now there is a circle inside this figure also. Its diameter is 40. So radius will be 20. So I will use C enter command. Click on this point, type 20, enter. Okay. Then there are some tangent lines here. So click on this point and then click here where it will show you tangent. Okay. So in line command, click on this point and click where it is showing you tangent. Then there is a rib. This portion is called as a rib. So rib thickness is 10 mm given. So I will draw a line from here to here, then offset it for 5 mm. 5 mm above, 5 mm below. Then delete this middle line and trim unwanted parts. Now trim these portions first. Trim these portions first. Trim these portions first. So this is done. Now I can draw front view. आज बंद देता हूं. So you can make it like this. Its length is 60. Come down. Acha, now my ortho is off. So switch on the ortho mode. Then it becomes easy. Okay, then it is going height up to 25 and then go up to here. Okay, now this 25 is not complete. From here to here, then go 25 up, then go here 15, go down till 15 and then come up to here. Okay, then trim unwanted part. And then from here to here join. Okay, then you can take projections to draw some hidden lines. Okay, so from here I am taking projections up to here. From here I am taking projections up to here. Okay, so there should be hidden lines here. There should be hidden lines here. Okay, now I will change its line type spacing. So I will select the line, do right click, click on properties and change this line type scale to, I want to reduce this. So I will use 0.5. Okay, this is sufficient. Then I will use match properties command. With this command, I can change it. Okay, so my front view is done. Actually, this should not be left it here. So for this, what I will do, I will use projection layer. From this point to this point, I will connect and I will trim this part. Okay, I will trim this part. Achha, now I am extending this little above. Now listen here. Now this part is not inserting inside. So you cannot draw here edge. This is tangentially merged. Now if you look at here, see this is tangentially merged. So you cannot show here edge. Okay. So here you have to show a little bit fillet. Okay. So what is the procedure for fillet? First I will set my layer as a visible layer. Okay. Now see, procedure for fillet is F, enter, T, enter, N, enter, R, enter. This is F, T, N, R. Now it is asking me fillet radius. So here you want to set a very small fillet radius around 3 mm. So I will select 3, enter. Then select this object and this object. Okay. See, again I will show you. F, and then type fillet radius. Let's say I'm making it 4 now. Select this and this. Okay. Now it is showing with the different layer. So I will select and click on this. Then you can trim this. This should be with a visible layer. Okay, FTNR. It should show like this. Okay, it should show like this. Chalo. Then I will draw with the projection layer. I will draw some projections here so that I will get another figure, side view. These all properties should be by layer. Okay. So this line I am drawing up to here. Okay. So in side view, I am taking projections from side view also. See these lines I am not putting on this inclined line. I am leaving them ahead. Okay, then you can trim them. Because if you put on this inclined line, it will not draw exactly horizontal line. It will make a inclined line. Okay, it's not necessary to take all projections. So I'm setting the visible layer. With the visible layer, I can draw like this, and with hidden layer, I will draw this. Acha, this inside I will draw later. First, I will draw this portion. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm going to draw like this. These are with the hidden layer. I will choose visible layer as my current layer. Then I will offset them. Either you can take projections or you can draw it manually and offset. Projections is also allowed. So I'm making offset of first 10 and then 15. So first 10 offset, left of this and right of this, and then 15, left of this and right of this. Okay, then I will make these lines to the projection line. Okay, now I will draw hidden lines here. So there should be hidden lines for this, hidden lines for this. And with match properties command, I will match them. Okay, then this portion is coming out. So with visible layer, I will draw it up to here and I will draw it up to here. Now these are not actually going at this end. I will show you what is happening with this. Then there is a rib inside. So rib is coming up to here and then from here to here. So I have not drawn single line. These are two different lines. This is one line I have drawn and then another line I have drawn. I have not drawn continuous line. The reason behind this I will tell you later. So first I will do offset of this two so that I got rib. Now I will delete this. Then see this portion of the rib is inside. If you are looking from this direction, you cannot see this edge. There is an edge formation behind this semicircle part. Okay, so for that there should be a hidden line. So this will come down and go up to here. In this side also, this is come down. This will come down and go up to here. This is not required now. Okay, and this line type setting, I will select right click properties. This line type setting, I will make it little smaller. With match properties, this I will match with this two. Okay, this I will match with these two. Okay, so this is done. Actually, this should not finish up to here. So now look at here. I am going to draw one construction line from the point where it is getting intersected. Now this is coming very closely, so you can avoid this. Okay, you can keep it like this also. Then I will draw center lines. So center line should be shown for circular part. I need to reduce its line type scale. Select right click properties and I want its line type scale as 2.5, 0.25, sorry. It should be 0.25. If you want to reduce, make it less than 1. Then use match properties command, MA enter. Select this object and select this. Okay, so this is done. Now I can use dimension layer and set the dimension style. Dimension style I already said. I can give dimensions. For diameter, I have selected DDI. So this is little bigger, so I can change it. So in previous video, I have shown how to set dimension style. I am changing it to arrow size and this to 4. Arrow size and text height to 4. Okay. For diameter, you have to show, for complete circle, you have to show diameter. And for incomplete circle, so this need to get joined. This should be with the visible layer. So I will use match property command for this and this. Okay. Now here I want to show radius. So radius for this is 10 and radius for this is 15. Okay, then linear dimension. This is what? 25 and this is 10. So smaller dimension should be inside, bigger dimension should be outside. And you have to spread all dimensions to all the views. All dimensions to all the views. Then we have to show center to center distance. This point to this point. 90 mm. Okay, now only rib dimension is remaining. Rib is inside. So I can stretch it out. Okay, or it's better to show here. You can show rib dimension here also. Okay, now I can set view's name. So for that I will use empty enter command. I am setting my view name as front view. First type the view name, select the text, go to text editor. So text type should be 6, approximately 6. You can check whether 6 is fitted or not. I have switch off my ortho mode so that I can move it swiftly. So I just click on the top point. So I have just click on this topmost point of the text. For select the text, click on the topmost point and you can move it anywhere you want. So this is front view. Now you can select it, do Control C, Control V, that is copy paste, put it here. So now you don't need to use this command again. Type top view. Again, if you do Control V, it will appear here. Now this is right hand side view. So you can write r.h.s.view. Okay. So this is done. So this much is required to draw. Okay. You can make box to the figure. So I am using REC command, REC enter. It will draw direct rectangle. REC enter. It will draw direct rectangle. Okay. Then I am drawing rectangle to draw this complete figure. Okay. So this is what answer is expected from. This should be same on your drawing sheet.